Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dani for Dani Tutorials, and today I'm gonna show you my quarantine COVID-19 craft haul from Dollar Tree. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe and be part of our family here on my channel, and give me a like and press the bell button for the notifications of the new videos. I went after 12 weeks of quarantine to Dollar Tree, my favorite place ever, and I got a bunch of things and I wanted to share. There's a Dollar Tree here close to my house, then it's always so organized and packed, then I love to go. So that's what I want to show you guys. I went there with my mask on, super safe, and didn't touch anybody. They let like 5 people at the time, so it was nobody there. So I'm gonna show what I found. I found this moss. I was looking for moss. Actually, I went there for that. That's why it's open, because I use it. And I found at Michael's for $8, the same bag. And there, of course, is $1. It's way better. So that's why I went to the dollar store, basically. For that and Nemo, I will show you guys. I found these magnet buttons that are really, really strong. Perfect to make magnets or to put in the back of something that we want to make. And I couldn't resist for this straws. They are silver, copper, and gold. You can make so many things for that, and I'll use as a straw, so that's why I use them. I got little stickers, Velcro stickers, that is always good as well. And I got batteries. I always go to the dollar store to buy normal batteries. And look what I found. I had a little Game Boy, like really old, for my kids. Then it used to be mine, and that is like $7 at the Walgreens. I got little mini bottles for like fairy doors and things like that. Guys, this is $1. It's exactly like an X-Acto knife. I would test it and let you guys know if it cut as well, but how different can it be? And for this is the other thing. Then I went to the dollar store because they have these little miniatures, and I am making, I sold a candle for Dory and Nemo, and she was very specific, the customer, and I want to make her happy, so I went there to get that, to make what she needs, and I will show you guys here at the channel, the tutorial. Those 2 fishing nets, perfect to make any aerial or pirates or anything like that. These little craft clamps, I like when I need to put 2 things together to glue, like paper, clay, wood, anything like that, and they kind of pretty strong, so that was pretty cute. And they're pink, and who doesn't need more clamps? Me. But anyway, I needed to try. Also got a little outlet. This is way cheaper at a dollar store and works perfectly, especially in craft rooms. Then you have so many 5 outlets, 5 things, and you need to plug in 1 outlet. Make any sense? Now this dollar store has a really good woodcraft place. Now they have this hearts, the chalkboard, these little tiny pallets. They have boxes, they have pineapple boxes, heart boxes, they have a bunch of unicorns, and they have those little chalkboard pins as well that I thought was super cute. Just go there, guys. If your dollar store is full of things, you're gonna find really cool things. And I got frames because I want to make some decorative frames with clay, and I got 2 canvas for $1. They are not the thick one, but they work just fine and way cheaper than normally Michael's and other places you can find. So I got contact paper. It doesn't come with a lot, but it's perfect for doll houses and things like that, and a little bit more a different type of Velcro. That Velcro is pretty expensive if you go to Joann's and other stores. I love dollar store. We can always find cool things and make different things. I wanted to share what I got because it's probably coming up on my next tutorials, especially the canvas. If you guys want to go there and get that, it's a 8x14 canvas, super cool. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will come back in the next tutorial pretty soon. Bye.